Today topic is point of factor. It is a last topic of the solution. We write here point of factor. We write discoverer want of 1886. It is a very important factor. It is a very important topic for objective question. Definition of want of factor is we write the ratio of the ratio of the normal molecular mass and of observed molecular mass is called want of factors. Want of factors. It is a very easy definition. The ratio of the normal molecular mass and observed molecular mass is called want of factors. It is denoted by I. Want of factor is denoted by I. Here we write formula according to definition. Normal molecular mass upon observed molecular mass. We write I is equal to normal molecular mass upon observed molecular mass. Now we write other definition on the basis of colligative properties. Here we write other definition. The ratio of observed value of colligative property and normal value of colligative property is called want of factors. It is denoted by I. Now we write mathematical form. I is equal to of observed value of colligative property upon normal value of colligative property it is a formula on the basis of colligative property. Now we write here we write the introduction. We write the introduction of the value of the we write the introduction of the quant of factor. We write the introduction of the quant of factor. modified लिख देते हैं. modifies the equation of we write the introduction of the quant of factor modifies the equation of colligative properties. We write the equation of colligative properties becomes. Here we write a relative lowering of vapor pressure. We know that a formula of relative lowering of vapor pressure P naught minus Ps by P naught is equal to X absolute. But we write a modified formula for relative lowering of vapor pressure in which quant of factor is present. Here we multiply I and it converted into modified equation for colligative properties. Now we write second formula of colligative property which indicate elevation of boiling point. here we write point 2 elevation of boiling point. It is a colligative property of the solution. The equation of elevation of boiling point is delta TB is equal to KB into Cm. It is a equation of elevation of boiling point. We convert a modified formula in which I is present. Here we multiply I. We write third formula of colligative property. Here we write heading depression of freezing point. Here we write delta TF is equal to KF into Cm. But we write a modified formula in which I is present. Therefore, here we multiply I. We write third colligative property osmotic pressure. The formula is pi is equal to CRT. Pi is equal to C into R into 2T. We introduce I and converted it into a modified formula. Now we write note which indicate solute, dissociate or associate in the solution. Here we write note. Note asks the value of I predicts. We write the value of I predicts the nature of the nature of the solute. We write the nature of the solute in the solution. Point A is if I is equal to 0. If I is equal to 0, we write the value of I is equal to 0. The solute, we write the solute behaves normally. We write solute behaves normally in the solution. This indicate solute does not associate or dissociate in the solution. Here we write if I is greater than 1. The value of I is greater than 1. This indicates solute undergoes, we write solute undergoes dissociation in the solution. If the value of I is greater than 1, this value indicates solute undergoes dissociation in the solution. अर्थात सॉल्यूट जो है सॉल्यूशन में डिसोसिएट हो जाता है, टूट जाता है. Here we write if I is less than 1, this value indicate solute undergoes association in the solution. It is a very important point for the objective. If I is equal to 0, solute does not dissociate or associate in the solution. If I is greater than 1, solute undergoes dissociation in the solution. जो सॉल्यूट होगा डिसोसिएट होगा, टूटेगा सॉल्यूशन में. इफ I is less than 1, solute undergoes association in the solution. अर्थात सोल्यूट जो है सॉल्यूशन में एसोसिएट होकर के बिग मॉलिक्यूल का फॉर्मेशन करेगा. Next topic is degree of dissociation. It is denoted by alpha. We write definition: the fraction of total molecules. The fraction of total molecules which we write the fraction of total molecules which dissociate dissociates, we write dissociates into simpler molecules or ions. Simpler molecules or ions, we write here not S, into simpler molecules or ions is called degree of dissociation. It is denoted by alpha. We write a formula which indicates degree of dissociation. Alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. It is a very important formula for dissociation, degree of dissociation, where n is equal to number of molecules in the solutions. We write another formula in which normal molecular mass and observed molecular mass are present. Here we write alpha is equal to mc minus mo upon mo into n minus 1. It is a other formula which based on the molecular mass, where mc is equal to normal molecular mass. Here we write mc is equal to normal molecular mass of the solute हो जाएगा. mo is equal to observed molecular mass. It is a very important formula which explain. Now a small topic we write degree of association. We write here degree of association. It is a last topic. The we write same as the fraction of the we write the fraction of the total molecules. We write the fraction of the total molecules which we write exists in the form of associated molecules. Associated molecules is called degree of association. It is denoted by alpha. The formula will be alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon 1 by n minus 1. It is a different only here 1 upon n, where n is equal to number of molecules in the solution. We write alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. We write other formula on the base of molecular mass. Alpha is equal to I minus mc minus mo बटा में mo mc minus mo बटा में mo. We write alpha is equal to mc minus mo upon mo into n upon n minus 1. We write where which same as mc is equal to normal molecular mass, and mo is equal to of observed molecular mass. Now end the chapter.